So for the inside story on Turkey's dominant mobile phone company, I am joined by Turkcell CEO. We told you he's in London. He's actually in the studio with me now. Sureyya Ciliv, thank you very much indeed for coming in to speak to us. And I actually wanted to start by asking you about your expectations for sales growth this year.
For 2011, we are expecting high single-digit growth. We did go through turbulent times, challenging times, in some ways a perfect storm. Global economic crisis had an impact, then heavy regulation in Turkey, and then heavy competition, sometimes irrational pricing in our market. But we think that those are behind us, and really we are extremely well positioned for the future, and we are going to be back in growth profitably.
You said high single-digit growth. Are we talking between 5 and 9%?
Yes.
9%?
5 to, I would say more like 7 to 9%.
7 to 9%. But you don't have plans to expand into other markets abroad, is that correct? Why is that?
No, we are saying we are open to expansion, and our teams are evaluating opportunities. And Turkey has become a hub for the region. The relations between Turkish government and neighboring countries is improving all the time. So we think that there is a climate to grow our operations into other countries. But we also have to invest our shareholders' money wisely, carefully, and buying the right operation, paying the right price is going to be very, very important. We have been careful about this in the past, and we'll be careful about this in the future. But we are optimistic that in the near future, there will be climate to expand our operations internationally. We are already in nine countries, in addition.
And where would you be looking to expand?
Neighboring countries will be the first priority. Physical proximity will be important to be able to manage the operations. Can you
be more specific in terms of?
I can't be more specific.
No. And acquisitions?
Acquisitions, these international expansion opportunities will represent some acquisition opportunities, I think.
Now, I understand that in Turkey you have more than 56% of the market share. Your competitor Vodafone has somewhere around 25%. So what are you doing to make sure that you stay ahead of them?
We pay attention to market share, but we pay attention more to our customers and how we deliver the highest value to our customers. So our business has gone through a significant change. In addition to voice, we are very excited about the growth opportunities in mobile internet. Just like it's happening around the rest of the world, mobile internet has a lot of momentum in Turkey. Last year, our mobile internet revenues grew 80%. This year, we will continue that growth rate, we believe. In addition to our core business in voice, we think that also represents a growth opportunity. Penetration rates in Turkey is about 85%. We think that Turkey has a young population, growing population, so all of the operators in Turkey have opportunity to participate in a growing subscriber base. So that will impact our core business, voice business. Also,
it's interesting you mentioned the young population and the kind of relative affluence, and that has provided that kind of emerging market growth story has meant huge opportunities for companies like yourself in the mobile industry. But the global financial crisis hit hard. It affected everyone, didn't it? So what about headwinds? What about risks? What are your concerns when it comes to Turkey's economy, particularly when it comes to overheating?
So during global economic crisis, Turkcell invested significant amount of money into 3G network. And now we built one of the fastest mobile internet networks in the world. And we are seeing the benefits of this. This is why our mobile internet revenues are growing at 80% rate. Our core business is going to grow because Turkish economy is very dynamic. In 2009, economy shrank 5%. This year, it's close to 7% growth in 2010. But starting 2011, for the next 3 years, expected growth rate will be about 5%. All of that will impact our voice business to grow as well. And our subsidiaries in Ukraine and also subsidiaries like Super Online, their revenues are growing, their profitability is improving. That also will fuel the growth of Turkcell Group.
You're not worried about the possibility of overheating? I understand that Turkey Central Bank has talked about bank lending, saying that it's rising too quickly. Possible risks there?
No, I really don't see those changes impacting our business very much. I think the mobile telecommunication with the mobile internet is
and that will be
becoming a
your
growth
focus
business.
for revenue growth, mainly the internet side of things.
Yes. Also, we, in addition to mobile, our super online company is offering fiber internet. It is also providing speeds up to 100 megabits per second to our residential and corporate customers.
Well, Sureyya Ciliv, Chairman and CEO of Turkcell, this the second largest mobile phone operator in Europe. Good to talk to you.